The worsening relations between Pakistan and the US are the focus of discussion these days. Experts say America and the West want to secure their interest in Afghanistan after the scheduled withdrawal of their forces in 2014. For this, they want a direct negotiated settlement with different groups in Afghanistan after weakening them. That is why they are demanding a military action against the Haqqani military network allegedly operating from Pakistan. But continuous armed attacks by Afghan militant groups in eastern and southern Afghanistan are retarding such settlement.
Pakistan has to see for itself whether it can afford to have an unstable situation in its strategic underbelly, that is the south and the east of Afghanistan. So there is a built-in incompatibility, but at the same time, nobody wants to see an entire region in a state of turmoil.
Experts say that any solution in Afghanistan that may bring to the region needs to address regional issues. Pakistan has to guard both its western and eastern borders, but even for that, the country first needs to resolve its internal problems. Pakistan needs a people-oriented national security policy to be adopted for any such solutions, they say.
We have to keep our patience. We need to do some consistent homework on improving our internal weaknesses. Of course, on external side, we have to keep on engaging in dialogue.
Pakistan is situated at a strategic location which can be used as an advantage by developing it into an operational trade and energy corridor independent of Russian influence. To gain on this natural advantage, Pakistan needs to engage the US in creative diplomacy, experts say. They believe even the US has understood that coercive diplomacy will not work.
If we are united internally and know what we want, then we are in three regions. We are in Central Asia, we are in West Asia, and we are East Asia. And we can be corridor of trade, commerce, and energy.
Pakistan is in a state of war, experts say. In a crucial moment, only a people-centered, realistic policy framework can provide enough strength to handle adversaries. Once the home front is beginning to improve, it would become easy for the nation to negotiate at the foreign front. And that needs a collective effort. With cameraman Suhail Malik, I'm Fatima Mansoor, STTV, Islamabad.